Hey, it's me, Marie! Welcome back to another video. So, I'm taking my foundation here, and I'm going to put it on my face. And I'm going to blend it in with my blending brush that I got. I will link all the products that I am using in this video down below if you guys want to use them. But yeah, so basically today is like a glamish type of look. It's a pink type of look, like a pink maroonish, no, not maroon, pink magenta-ish type of look. So I'm looking off to the side like a lot because my mirror is on the side. So if you see that, that's probably why. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I use the Pro Concealer always, and it always works for me. So the main points where I like to conceal are the under eyes, eye chin, and my forehead, because I have a small forehead, so I like to make my forehead look bigger, and I just blend that out with the blending brush. Sometimes if the brush doesn't blend it out all the way, then I will use my fingers, as you will see in this video. But yeah, now let it go on to the blending. Okay, so now we're moving on to powder, and I use banana powder all over my face and Kat Von D translucent powder under my eyes and on my forehead. So basically wherever I put concealer, that's where the translucent powder is going to go. So I start off with the banana powder all over my face. I've seen other people start off with translucent under the eyes and everywhere else, but I think that I'm going to wipe it off by accident when I put the banana powder on. So I do it first, and there's like a lot of smoke and stuff going on when I do the powder. So that's what happened. So now, as you guys can see, I'm going in with the translucent Kat Von D powder under my eyes. So I have a small container, as you guys saw. That's because I got it as a gift from Sephora for my birthday, so that's what I'm using currently. Before that, I would use baby powder, and it works just as well. So if you guys are on a budget and want some translucent powder, baby powder will do the exact same thing. So yeah, I actually got some on my nose right here, so it's like wiping it off. I was like, no, not my nose. But yeah. Okay, so now on to brows. For brows, I use Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil. And for that, so I comb out my brows first, then I go in with the pencil part and I underline. So basically I do the tail first, so I underline the tail, the bottom part of the tail, and then the top part of the tail, so it makes like a little triangle. Then I fill that in. And then I go to the front of my brow and I make like a line on the top and a line on the bottom. Then I go in between and make like hairs, like little hairs with the pencil. And I go to the front and make like a little boxy type thing. Then I brush over it to like blend it into my skin. And yeah, and I don't like the box to be too harsh. But yeah, so now I'm going to do my other brow off camera. See you guys. Alright, so now we are moving on to the eyes. So I'm going to be taking my concealer that I used before, putting it on my lids because that's what I used to prime my lids. Hey! Yeah, but anyways, I was an idiot that day and primed both of my eyes at the same time, which I don't usually do. I don't know why I did it that time, but for some reason I decided to. It was a little weird. So this is the only eyeshadow palette I have. Don't come for me in the comments. It's Hot Topics Nickelodeon palette, and I'm taking Ofish sticks, which is like an off-white color, and I'm putting it all over my lid because I like to set the eye primer. I just feel like the colors blend more better when the primer's set, so that's why I do it. But yeah. And then we're going in with You Idiot, which is like a magenta color. In the pan, it looks like it's more of like a maroon red, but on the lid, it looks magenta. I don't get it, but that's what happens. So, sorry if I'm breathing a lot. It's because I can't breathe. I have asthma, so like I'm trying to catch my breath while I'm talking here. Anyways, I'm putting that in the crease, and I get a little bit of Ofish sticks, to like lighten it up, and then I put some more of You Idiot on top of it because I didn't want the color to get too lost. And then I'm taking I'm the Boss, which is like a cool toned purple color, and I basically put that in the outer V, basically, and I put it in the outer V, and it like blends into the crease kind of. But yeah, and then like You Idiot kind of got lost in there, so I'm going back in with it to like redefine the color, you know, so you can actually know that we have a third color there, you know? Well, technically it's the second color now, but there's going to be a third color coming up. Don't you guys worry. So I'm getting a brush. I'm getting a packing brush here, and I'm getting it with All Dolled Up in the palette, which is like a sparkly pinky color, and I'm basically going to spray the brush with water, so that's basically what's in that spray bottle there. I accidentally wet my mirror, and you know, I have to see, so gotta clean that mirror, and basically I'm just putting that all over my lid, so I have some little sparkles, and yeah, Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and wipe off all that powder that's been sitting on our face, shall we? Otherwise, we're going to look like a big old cake, and we don't want that to happen now, do we? So we're going to go ahead and do that with my beautiful powder brush, checking myself out in the mirror. You know, then we got to go ahead and get some Vaseline, because those lips be chapped, my dude. They be chapped. And we cannot have chapped lips. I've had chapped lips for too long now, and we gotta get rid of them. So that's what we're gonna do. Then we're gonna get some blush. So I'm using this Pixie blush. I can't tell you the shade. Maybe I can. So it's Pixie blush in the color Whisper Pink. But yeah, I got that in an Ipsy bag. That's why I have it. And I'm using the stippling blush brush here, putting it on the apples of my cheeks, blending it up to the temples like all of the good beauty gurus do. And yeah, so now we're going to go in with some Wet n Wild highlighter with my beautiful blending brush. So, this highlighter, it does not have a shade on it. It just says highlighting powder, so I'm going to go with it. It's a highlighting powder, apparently. So put that cheeks, nose, forehead, chin. That's what I do. And yeah. So now we're going to go in with some mascara. So my mascara here is, you can't see the name of it because it's been washed off because I've had it for so long, but the name is Maybelline Colossal Lash. I remember the name specifically because I got it for homecoming, because I ran out of mascara before homecoming came around. So yeah, That's what happened. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. I do not have false lashes, but if you do and you want to wear some false lashes, you go ahead and you do you, girl, because I don't have any. So yeah, but I betcha false lashes will look good with this look. Anyways, continue with the lash. I will be back. Alrighty, now on to lips. So I'm basically using the Ipsy by Tetris lip gloss here that I got from that Ipsy bag, and it's just like an iridescent color.